Flowers are timeless. They make a great addition to backgrounds. And I adore the gesture of gifting someone flowers. When used in media, flowers are more than just a display of aesthetic. It's also a tool. Even if you add them to your video just to look pretty, they can still tell a subtle story. And what that story is? You tell me. It's your video, it's your story. But today, I'm not going to explain to you the power of flowers. I am going to show you how I created these bouquet of flowers, how I created these green screens. As a seasoned editor and Gachatuber, I'll show you step by step how to do this with Gacha Club props. Simply open up Gacha Club, then go to the menu. This menu will have an icon that says objects on it. Tap on that, then select a random object to use, and then quickly switch that object for another one. Ideally a flower, because we're going to make a bouquet. I'm going to pick this rose. Then we're going to quickly change the coloring of it, like any color you want. You just go to over there to do it. And afterwards, when you're done with that, we're going to go into the studio mode and hit backgrounds. Once you hit backgrounds, we're going to change the color by going here and select a random color. I'm just going to use white this time. And once you added it by going to objects and selecting it, you take a screenshot of your flower. Then we're going to move on to editing. Now I don't have a photo editor, but I do have a video editor, so we're going to use that. Open it. I use Video Glue, tap on New Projects, go to Material page, which is right over there. I'm going to click on it now and switch to color. Then we're going to pick the color green for the background, for example. So green doesn't always work, but for now we're just going to use green. I don't know if all editors have this, but mine does. It's called sticker. Tap on it. It's a lot of options you can use. I like to use sticker because it allows you to do more bit. So you can create custom stickers. And because of that, it'll take away the background for you, it cuts it out. And you can pile on as many as you want onto the screen, like I'm doing now. You can resize it, you can adjust, you can do a lot of things. Stickers has a lot of versatile ways you can use it. Now that we have our flowers ready, we're going to add a ribbon. Ribbons, I always have a little bow on my flowers. I always think it looks cute, so we're going to add one now. I picked this random bow, it's a pink one, and I'm just going to adjust it. It's one of the moving ones, but that doesn't matter. We can easily pause it or freeze the screen. If you know, you know. It's easier to just take a screenshot, but you can also, for the best quality, you can export it as a video. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to export it. And now that it's done, this is what I got now. This is the video version. I see the bows moving a lot. But if you take a screenshot, it will be still like this. And that's it. Now you got a bouquet of roses. Thank you for watching. Bye.